welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable memory saver and energy saver in Chrome. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, open your Chrome, and once you open your Chrome, you need to tap on the three dots. Once you tap on the three dots on the top right hand side of the corner, simply select settings. Now simply tap and scroll down to the performance section. So once you find the performance section, you can simply find how to simply do your memory saving and energy saving. But now if you are like using your phone or like the phone settings, you can simply go to settings and simply, or you can simply scroll down to your quick access and turn on your battery saver. Now whatever your device is running, like Chrome or something else as well, this battery saver mode will automatically save energy and memory as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.